Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add in a class and how you can remove the class on the click event of this navigation by using Jquery. So what basically I want to do is I want to navigate through different sections and I want to change the color of the active link. For example, if I navigate to the home section, so I want to change the color to blue of the circle right here, and all the other circles will be inactive. So basically these circles will not have any color. So if I change back to another section right here, so I want the blue color to be active right here and then remove from here. So basically this functionality will be activated by using Jquery. So first of all I want to define a CSS which I want to add and then remove by using Jquery. So I will define this CSS inside the navigation class which is present in the HTML file in the unordered list of the navigation menu, and I want to basically access this navigation class, and inside this navigation class I want to define an active class, and in the active class I want to just change the background to blue. You can change the color anything you want, but I am changing it to blue. And then you can define in this script.js file the appropriate code. So I don't need now this prevent default functionality, so I just delete it. And then inside here what I want to do is I want to define first the selector for which I want to execute the function for each time. So what each does, it iterate over a Jquery object and executing a function for each match element. In this case it will execute the function for each match anchor element present in the navigation of the web page. So it will execute the function, and now I am defining the function, so I need to close it by the semicolon. And what I want to do in this function, I want to remove the class. So how can I remove the class? By accessing this keyword and then remove class. So what remove class does is basically it can remove a single class or multiple classes or all the classes from each element in the set of match element. So in this case the set of match element will be the anchor element inside the navigation menu. So I want to remove the class name as active, so I need to type it out, active, and then semicolon. So whenever this document get ready, it will execute the function for each anchor element and it will remove the class known as active for each element. And then when the click function get executed, I want to add in the class. So how can I add in the class? For the link which is clicked, I can add in the class by using add class, which is basically it can add the specified classes to each of the set of match element. So in this case the match element is for the anchor element which is clicked. So I just select this and again name the appropriate class which I want to add in, which is active. So that's it for the code of this right here. So as you can see, this is typed out multiple times, so I delete it, and you can find out what is contained within this object by typing out here this. And now if I go back to the web page, now the web page is refreshing. Now if I click on any link, you can see that it's basically adding the class and removing the class from the link which is not active. So if I open up the console by pressing F12 key, you can see that whenever I press any link, it is activating the class for that specific link and removing the class from the last active link. Now the services section is active, so it applies the class active to the services section. Now business section active, so it applies the class to the business section, and it removes the class from the services section. And then the context section is active, so it adds the class to the context section and remove the class from the business section. So this is basically the functionality which I have added by using Jquery. So in the upcoming lecture I will going to show you how you can define the scroll functionality of the Jquery in this web page. So that's about it for this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.